Imagine starting your day with this river view. But let me rewind and show you how the day actually begins. You wake up, open your eyes, and boom, this river view right outside your room. This primary bedroom on its own level that can fit a king bed with 2 nightstands, and you have an ensuite and a closet. And because the walkway is literally right outside your home, you can start your morning with a morning exercise by the water. Coming back inside, this is where you will be making breakfast. An open concept kitchen with a gas burner stove, Fisher Paykel appliances, lots of cabinet storage, and a great natural light from this large window. And with 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, this space feels bright and open. This layout really works for families. You have full dining area, a spacious living room, and this walkout patio to soak in the sun with the river right in front of you. Alright, so let me jump in here real quick. So most Richmond townhouses only offer 3 bedrooms and a tighter layout. But this one actually offers you 4 bedrooms, and they are good sized bedrooms with 4 bathrooms. And you have 11 feet wide on the main floor with 9-foot high ceiling, air conditioning throughout, over 1,600 square feet of living space. So if you're upsizing from a condo or a 3-bedroom townhouse, this one feels like a real upgrade. On the second level, you have another primary suite with 2 good-sized bedrooms. And this 4th bedroom really makes a difference, whether you need an office, space for your kids, or a place for family to stay. Now all the rooms have huge windows with tons of natural light. You have a 2-car garage with EV-ready parking and plenty of storage to keep your home organized. Now we're at the bottom level of this townhouse, and there's already a very long driveway in this garage. Developer has thoughtfully did this space for you to store stuff, keep your home organized. So if you're from a condo, you can imagine this like a 2.5 size of your storage locker. Very nice, right? So you can keep all your stuff that you don't want to in the house to be here. Now after a long day at work, you can relax at the park that's right beside the complex and pick up your kids from Tait Elementary School. It's all within walking distance. Oh, and did I mention there's even an on-site daycare and a clubhouse that's right outside the community, super convenient for young families. And did I mention you are only a few minutes away from Costco and Bridgeport Station. So thank you for touring at home with me. Now if you are looking to move up from a condo or a smaller townhouse to this front row riverview 4-bedroom with air conditioning throughout in Northview Estate, my name is Ken from Real Broker. Give me a call, text, or email to experience the lifestyle yourself. Now, if this one didn't work out, it's okay. With all the homes for sale, I'll see you in the next video.